Inflammation is a natural response by our immune system to protect the body from harm, like infections or injuries. However, when inflammation becomes chronic, it can lead to a range of health issues and create a significant burden on the body. Many people don't realize that conditions like thyroid disorders, autoimmune diseases, chronic fatigue, digestive discomfort, and even persistent unexplained pain can all trace back to underlying inflammation. When the body is constantly inflamed, it can disrupt various systems, contributing to a cycle of discomfort and illness. This ongoing inflammation can be caused by factors like stress, environmental toxins, poor diet, and lack of proper care for the immune system. Addressing inflammation is crucial for overall health, as reducing it can alleviate symptoms, improve energy levels, and potentially reverse some chronic conditions. By focusing on natural anti-inflammatory ingredients, we can support the body's healing process and reduce the need for medications or restrictive diets that often only mask symptoms rather than resolve the root issue. The goal of this video is to introduce a simple yet powerful anti-inflammatory drink that is backed by research and can be made easily at home. Consumed daily, this drink brings together ingredients known for their ability to lower inflammation, supporting the body naturally and helping to improve overall wellness. Whether you're dealing with specific health concerns or simply looking to boost your overall vitality, this drink can be a valuable addition to your daily routine, offering a gentle yet effective approach to healing inflammation from within. Each ingredient in this anti-inflammatory drink has been carefully chosen for its scientifically backed health benefits, working together to address inflammation from multiple angles. Cinnamon is one of the primary ingredients, valued not only as a flavorful spice, but also as a potent health tonic. Its active compounds, cinnamic acid and cinnamaldehyde, have been shown to reduce reactive oxygen species in the body, which are responsible for promoting inflammation. Additionally, cinnamon enhances insulin sensitivity and improves blood circulation, particularly to the liver, supporting metabolic health and further reducing inflammation. Among different types, Ceylon cinnamon is the preferred variety due to its higher antioxidant content, which strengthens its health benefits. Another powerful ingredient in this drink is cardamom. Known for its unique flavor, cardamom is rich in antioxidants like alpha-pinene, D-limonene, and cineole, all of which have strong anti-inflammatory properties. Not only does cardamom help reduce inflammation in general, but it is also specifically beneficial for gut health. It aids digestion, supports gut immunity, and can reduce inflammation in the digestive tract, which is crucial for those struggling with digestive issues or compromised gut health. Turmeric is a well-established anti-inflammatory agent in Ayurvedic medicine, with its active compound, curcumin, recognized as one of the most potent anti-inflammatory substances available. Research even shows that curcumin can provide benefits comparable to those of certain medications without the same risks of side effects. However, the body does not absorb curcumin well on its own, which is where black pepper comes in. Adding black pepper to the drink enhances curcumin absorption by up to 10 times, ensuring that the body receives the full benefit of turmeric's anti-inflammatory power. Ginger is another star ingredient, containing gingerols and paradols, compounds with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Ginger is not only helpful for inflammation, but also beneficial for immunity and overall wellness. Lemon or lime adds a dose of vitamin C, which works synergistically with other antioxidants in the drink to help reduce inflammation quickly and efficiently. Finally, green tea or regular tea serves as the base of this drink. Green tea in particular has additional antioxidant benefits due to its high levels of EGCG, a compound known for its health-promoting effects. If possible, opt for loose tea leaves over tea bags, as loose tea often contains higher concentrations of beneficial antioxidants. Now, let's get into the simple steps to make this powerful anti-inflammatory drink. Start by bringing 2 cups of water to a boil, then turn off the heat. Add 1 teaspoon of loose green tea or regular tea, followed by a 1/4 teaspoon each of ground cinnamon and ground cardamom and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. Toss in a few whole black peppercorns and 1/2 inch of fresh ginger, or 1 teaspoon of ground ginger if preferred. Allow this mixture to steep for about 5 to 7 minutes so that all the nutrients and flavors are well infused into the water. Once it's ready, strain the liquid into a cup and add 1/2 lemon's juice, or if you prefer, 1/2 teaspoon of bottled lemon juice. For a touch of sweetness, you can add a small amount of raw honey, especially if the drink's flavor is a bit strong for your taste. For the best results, sip this drink slowly over a period of 10-15 minutes, allowing your body to absorb the beneficial compounds gradually rather than all at once. Drinking it slowly helps with digestion and minimizes the risk of stomach discomfort, which can sometimes occur if consumed too quickly. For the best results, it's recommended to drink this tea in the early morning or late morning, when your body can most effectively utilize its anti-inflammatory compounds. Starting your day with this drink allows its potent ingredients to kickstart your metabolism, support your digestive system, and help reduce inflammation levels before you've even begun your daily activities. By consuming it at this time, you're giving your body a head start in tackling any inflammatory responses that might arise later in the day. Consistency is key with this drink. To see noticeable results, aim to drink it daily. Regular consumption allows the anti-inflammatory compounds to build up in your system, so over time you may find improvements not only in inflammation levels but also in related symptoms such as joint discomfort, digestive issues, and energy levels. Many people report feeling benefits within a week of consistent use. While it's tempting to drink this tea quickly, sipping it slowly over 10-15 minutes is best. Drinking it too fast may overwhelm your stomach, leading to potential discomfort. Slow sipping also aids in digestion and allows the body to absorb and process each ingredient more effectively, ensuring you get the maximum benefits without any irritation. In conclusion, incorporating this anti-inflammatory drink into your daily routine can be a simple yet powerful step toward reducing inflammation and improving your overall health. With its blend of scientifically backed ingredients, this drink can help you feel better, alleviate symptoms of chronic inflammation, and support long-term wellness. We encourage you to give it a try and share your experiences in the comments below. Let us know how it's working for you. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from a natural approach to managing inflammation. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more tips for a healthier life.